video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying out Aunt Jackie's curls and coils for the first time. And let's just go ahead and just get on into the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And make sure you also follow me on Instagram at onlymianicole. Period. No. Anyways, okay, so I did go ahead and wash my hair. And the things that I did get these items from Curl Fest, so I'm going to be trying them out today. And one of the items I did get was the Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. So that's it. So I did go ahead and use this, and like when I first put it in my hair, like it had my hair feeling really good. The only thing I didn't like it is when I because I usually like put my conditioner in and then I like detangle my hair. Like for some reason it was like not detangling like it usually does. So I don't know, I'm gonna still have to use it a little bit, but for the most part, like as soon as I put this in my hair, it really like clumped my curls together. So I really did like that aspect of it, because I was like, oh, okay, my hair must like you. Okay, but yeah, so that is this. And the only other products I have is I got this setting mousse, which I'm not gonna use because I don't know, I'm doing a wash and go, so I'm not trying to use this in the wash and go. But I did get this, and I'm probably gonna try to use this on some styles that involves this. But I did want to show you guys what I got. And then the main product I'm gonna be using is this Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. So that is this right here. So hopefully it works really good. And another item that I got for free was this grapeseed and avocado oil. So I'm gonna be using this as well. But yeah, so I did buy all these products except the oil. I think it was like buy 3 for like $25, something like that, and you got like the oil free. So that's what I did. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on into this video. I do have like a little bit of leave-in in my hair, just because I'm trying to finish using the bottle. If y'all see something right here, this is my mirror. But yes, y'all, I know it's been a little minute since I did a video, but you know, I'm back on my A game, back on the tutorials, back on the product reviews, all of that good stuff. So if y'all do have some suggestions, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. I do read all my comments and respond back to most of them for sure. Alright, so for additional products to use, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this Mael pomegranate and honey curl smoothie, just because I know it works and it's moisturizing. So, and I don't want to just put just a gel on my hair, so I'm gonna just go in with some of this. Y'all, I haven't did a wash and go in like a week or two. Like almost 2 weeks. It's a long time. Alright, so I'm gonna split this in half and then go in with the, what's this called? Curling jelly. Okay, let's go. So this is what it is. It's like a jelly. It's not too thick. I don't care for the smell. It really don't smell like nothing. Really smooth, I would say that. A little clumping. Not too defined, but it ain't not defined at all. Add a little water. Oh, I forgot. This is my trick to, well, not trick, but this will help my curls clump together better when I do this. Okay, yeah. That did make it clump 10 times better. Okay, I think I like this. And it doesn't feel like real thick. I don't know, it just feels really soft and smooth. And moisturizing. Okay. Aunt Jackie. Yeah, Aunt Jackie. Okay. On to the next, on to the next one. See, I don't know what's going on. It's like I can't comb through my darn hair. And that's how I felt after I put that conditioner on. But what's been going on with y'all? I ain't done no wash and go in a minute, so I ain't been on here to talk to y'all. I want to know how y'all doing. It's October. The year is just flying by. Oh yeah, I like this. It's like real, I don't know how to describe it. It just feels good. Don't feel like it's gonna be, I don't know. Like, it don't feel like a regular gel. I don't know, it just feels good. It just feels moisturizing. I'm gonna just say moisturizing. That's gonna be the term. It feels moisturizing. Yes, I like it. Okay, I might have to get on Jackie's a chance. Might gotta try some more products. Cause I like this curling jelly. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with this Cream of Nature Edge Control. I'm out of my edge booster and I don't have any, so I gotta do something else. So hopefully this do some holding. So wish me luck, y'all. But this gel, well, jelly actually, like, you know, did my edges real good. Usually, like, it still be frizzy, but it did real good. So I feel like it's gonna hold with just that too. Alright, so now I'm gonna go with this big edge brush that I got like as a free gift from Curl Fest at the Africa's Best when I bought something. So let's see how this works. Okay, y'all, so here is how my hair is looking. Looking pretty good. Yes, curls is clumped. I feel like this is gonna turn out to be a great wash and go. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go sit up under the dryer and then I'll be back to do the rest. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so here's how my hair is looking from sitting underneath the dryer. It is pretty dry and my curls are definitely defined. There ain't no crunch or nothing like that going on. So we about to fluff this out and see how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the grapeseed and avocado oil. Ooh, it's thick. It's a thick oil. Okay. Oh yeah, that will definitely put some shine to this hair. For real. Okay, okay. Yes, I really like how my hair turned out. It looks really good. Like the curls look nice and defined. I don't see no flaking or nothing like that. The edge control, yeah, that's not gonna last. Only the edge booster works. That's literally the only edge control that works on my hair. And the beauty supply store that's by my house said they don't sell it no more. You know how mad I was when I went in there just for that? And they told me they didn't have it. I was like, excuse you? Really? Why? So I don't know where my big pick is, so I'm gonna have to work with this little bitty one for now. But I'm definitely gonna pick this out a little bit. Give it some volume. Y'all, so that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really did like the product, well, the main product of the show, which was the glossy curling jelly. So I'm definitely gonna use this again, and I'm definitely gonna go try some more of their products because this seemed like it was really moisturizing. It didn't seem like it was crunchy. Like, y'all know how I feel about gels, and I mean, it says it's jelly, so it's not as, you know, harsh. And yeah, I really like this product. So I'm gonna see, you know, try it out with some different, you know, combos and things like that to see, you know, what works with it. But for the most part, I really do like this product. The conditioner, like, it was okay. I feel like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to give it a try, but I don't know. Like, I'm not used to conditioners that come like this. I'm used to a conditioner that you can squeeze or pump or something, not one that you gotta scoop. So I mean, it was okay for the most part. And the grapeseed oil, I mean, it definitely gave my hair some shine. Only thing I would say is, like, super thick. That's, like, the only thing. It's like, okay, dang, like, it's super thick. But yeah, I really like how my hair turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If it looks like, you know, how my hair always turn out, or if it look different. But this is it. Yeah, so I really want to thank you guys for watching my video and continuing to support me and all of that good stuff. I really appreciate it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at onlymianicole. Go ahead and do that right now. Might as well. Yes, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, like, I think that's it. I'm just rambling at this point. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.